Hey guys, so I spent a very long time trying to get this, about 6 months in fact, the Super Nintendo Classic. So let's do a quick unboxing of it and see what's inside. So I got this at Nintendo Store in New York, but it's still extremely difficult to find it. And taking a look at the box, so we have the Super Nintendo Classic right here. It comes with two different controllers, and there's 20 different games, some of them listed right here. So, all amazing stuff. We have Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country, F-Zero, Super Mario Kart, Legend of Zelda, Link to the Past. And we also have Star Fox 2, which was not released publicly. And on the side, looks like we have some information there about the console. And the back, so more than 20 games right there. Actually, I think it's 21, including Star Fox 2. Yeah, I think it's 21 total. And there's a look at those. So a bunch of pictures of the games right here. And the other side, this one outlining the controller. Look at the top, so there's classics at the top there. Now I do have Nintendo systems. I actually have Nintendo Switch right here. And about 200 hours into Zelda, so again guys, big fan of that. And let's go and unbox it. So we have a flap right here, no knife required. Okay, so we have an instruction manual right here. And this is also a poster. And it's cool to get this because now games you get actually nothing at all, not even like a piece of paper. Okay, so this is the poster. And I know you guys can't really see that, but I will include a shot right after it's edited and later in the video. But we have Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Mario Kart, Star Fox, Zelda right there. Okay guys, again, we'll do a better look at that later on. And look at the back. And looks like instruction manual. Yep, nothing interesting there, some instructions. Alright, so we got some good stuff here. Looks like these are the controllers. And I really love the Super Nintendo controllers. Yeah, I'll go and open these up next. So, pretty nice packaging. Whew. Yeah, I gotta love the feel on this. Yeah, these are extremely lightweight. And all the buttons extremely responsive as well. Now the cord with the NES Classic was just 3 feet, but this one is at least 5 feet. Not great. Definitely not great by any means, but could be worse. Okay, so again guys, this is 5 feet. But yeah, I do have the quality on this. And it does remind me a lot of the regular Super Nintendo controller. Almost identical to that. Okay, so we have a second one right here. And might as well open it up as well. And I do really like the ships with 2 controllers in it. Because I think most of these games, probably at least 75% of them are 2-player. And my first Nintendo system was actually the N64, but I did play a lot of Super Nintendo at friends' house growing up. And pretty much all these games I've played like on the Virtual Console, things like that. Once again, very responsive and love the feel of it. Okay, so this is the power brick. And it's pretty cool. We have some Nintendo branding right there. And this is USB, as you guys see right there. Most consoles have a pretty massive power brick, but this one's just a simple adapter. And I think this is HDMI. Yep, HDMI cable. So good to have that. And then this plugs into the power supply. And now the most important part, the Super Nintendo. So yeah, there's it for the box. Oh man, this is extremely lightweight. I'm actually pretty surprised by that. I mean, it weighs a lot less than my phone. It's pretty crazy. Very adorable looking. So this is the reset button, and then this is off and on. So obviously this is a lot smaller than regular Super Nintendo, but typically you would have the cartridges going right here. And on the front you guys see there's two controller slots right here, but actually opens up like this. And that's where you put the USB into. So just like that. So I'm actually not sure how much this weighs, but it feels like it's about a pound or so. And look at the back, so HDMI cord, power supply right there. And on the bottom you do have some, not sure what these things are called, but little grips for it. So there you have it, lots of awesome stuff in the box. Pretty good deal for 80 bucks in my opinion. And if you guys already own this, if you want to own it, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And let me know what you think of it. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video.